Hi, this is attorney Alina Núñez, and today I'm going to give you a little bit of a history lesson on how title to real property is transferred. Did you know that prior to the 1500s, if you wanted to sell or give someone a piece of land, there would be this ceremony where you would actually hand them either a piece of twig from a tree on the land or some dirt? That's the way that it was done, but we have come a long way since then. Now the way that you transfer property rights to someone is by way of a deed. And today I want to speak a little bit about the different types of deed, but specifically the quitclaim deed. So a quitclaim deed, and I emphasize the word quit because oftentimes people think it means quick. And in fact, the reason it's quit is because the person is quitting all rights that they have to that property. A quitclaim deed is a normal way to transfer property from one person to another, but it does come with its drawbacks. Now, one of the main drawbacks of a quitclaim deed versus a regular statutory or what we call a special warranty deed is that the person who's transferring or giving you that deed makes no representations as to what rights they have of that property, whether they are the legal owners, whether there's a lien on the property or someone might have a claim. They're just giving it to you as is. They're quitting their ownership and transferring it to you. So that is a big issue if you are ever in a situation where someone wants to transfer title to a real property by quitclaim deed. Although quitclaim deeds, you have to be a little cautious with them, they are a great tool to use to transfer ownership. And in the situations in which they're a good tool is if you're transferring ownership between immediate family members, if a parent wants to transfer ownership to a child, or also they're used very commonly in situations of divorce where one spouse is transferring their ownership to the other spouse. And the reason is because they kind of know that they've been an owner of the property and they kind of trust that there's no issues with the title to the property. Another situation in which quitclaim deeds are popularly used is to remove any sort of title defects. Let's say there was a prior owner who didn't sign the deed correctly, so now we need a corrective quitclaim deed to fix this issue. In situations like this, quitclaim deeds are used and they're a great way to clear up any issues in the past. Now, where you have to be careful with a quitclaim deed is if there's a mortgage attached to the property, because although the deed does transfer the ownership, it does not eliminate that mortgage, and that mortgage will stay on that property and go to that person who's accepting the title by quitclaim deed. So it's very important that you always speak with a real estate attorney, get a proper title search done on a property to make sure if you are receiving the ownership of that property by a quitclaim deed, that you won't have any issues in the future. So are quitclaim deeds a good thing or not? It all depends. And that's why with any real estate transfer, you should always consult an attorney who has experience in this. That is what we do day in and day out. We specialize in these types of transactions and in protecting your interests. Give us a call.